Welcome everyone to this third exchange in the U.S.
Ciao guys.
I'm thrilled to be here with you again to talk about our Lumen story.
Wow. Good morning. Good morning. There we go.
The future is uncertain, fascinating, sometimes scary, but always a challenge.
Despite the situation of U.S. last year, we did very well.
I think that the moment that you're in U.S. is simply beautiful. It has the right size, it's all possible.
In the middle of this innovation, robotics, humanoids, we are a people company.
Come here. Help you out.
And people for us means quality, means culture, and connecting people, customer, and innovation is our secret sauce.
We must ride the wave of change, adapt fast. Reply is ready, it responds, it accelerates, and crucially, it empowers its customers to do the same.
We are strong when we are together, we work well together. The same like being in a community, and if the community thrives, you thrive.